.13 printing objects. We are going to suppose the following code is executed. So we have these points. We have point p1 is equal to new point, and if you don't know about the point class, it's not terribly important for this example. Just know that it's to deal with graphing, like x and y. So after this, we have System.out.println where we have p1. So we're going to be printing p1. The above print line statement, the entire line is equivalent to what? So let's look at the equivalence. System.out.println, and then we have toString p1. This is not true because we have to have something in front of our toString. ToString's a method, right? It's going to be part of a class. So something like b would make more sense, right? Where we have p1 dot, oh, but this is string. This needs to be dot toString. So this is not going to be it either, but the p1 dot part is right. We have p1 dot toString, but since it's returning a string, we can't just have it out in the open, not being set to something or in a print statement. That's why, let's skip this, but go to this one, because this one is correct. We have our p1 dot, and then we're printing our string. And that is passing this test, and that is the methodology behind it. If you have any questions, you can leave them below in the comments below the like button.